Hello, in this video, we will present a case study on guessing numbers using the while loop. The program generates a random number between 0 and 100, asks the user to make a guess. When the user enters number, the program responds the guess is too high or too low. So the user get the feedback and make the next good guess. So now let's look at this program. How do you write it? Do you immediately begin coding? No, it is important to think before coding. Think about how you would solve the problem without writing a program. You need to first generate a random number between 0 and 100 inclusively. Then prompt the user to enter a guess and then compare the guess with the random number. So we're going to develop this program incrementally. That's the approach we will adopt throughout the book and also for you in the future when you develop your program. Do it incrementally, one at a time, so you can verify it and debug if there's a problem. You know it is from the code you just added. So now we will just write the code now to let user make one guess. So here is the guess number one time. Generate a random number using the random module. Invoke the function radInt to generate a random integer between 0 and 100 inclusively. And this is to prompt user for the guess. So now this is the enter your guess. So look at the guess. If the guess matches the random number, that is a match. Otherwise, if the guess is greater than the number, that is too high. Else, guess is too low. So that is one time. Now we're going to expand it to make it guess continuously. So we're going to put the code, this code right here. So let's work from this live example. So let's generate the random number. Here's random.rand int 0 to 100 inclusively. And now this guess here, if this guess is greater than number, that is too high. So we're going to put all this in a loop. So we're going to do it continuously. So that is the loop. We need to put this inside the loop. So you see all the statements are indented the same 4 spaces. This continues and runs forever. We need to stop it when this guess equals to number. This is over. So if guess is not equal to number, this will continue. So what is the initial value for guess? We're going to put this initial value for guess is a number out of range from 0 to 100. So we have to use any number like -20 and 200, that will be fine. So let's use -1. So if you make a correct guess and this message is displayed, and when the loop comes back to check the continuation condition, that condition is false and the loop is finished. So this is the complete program. It is this guess number with the loop. That is all for this case study. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.